In this video, we will show you how to create text animation with motion slide presentation in PowerPoint. Before starting the video, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon so that our videos can reach you. Then let's start. Go to Insert tab, select text box, select font, size 280, and as an example, here we write India and middle. Go to Format, Align Center, Align Middle. Again go to Insert, select text box, and here we write a PowerPoint presentation. Then center the content. After this, go to character spacing and adjust the spacing between character. Size 28. I have downloaded a GIF from Google and will insert it. Adjust and right click, send to back. Select both. Go to Format, Intersect from More Shape. Go to Insert, Shapes, select Rectangle. Click on Shape Fill and fill the shape with a picture. Shape outline, make it no outline. Press Ctrl Shift, drag to the right. Select both. Select Union from Merge Shape. Right click, send to back. After this, we will add animation. So, go to Animation tab, Add Animation, More Motion Path. Select Left, then OK. Click on Animation pane, Timing, start with previous, duration 15 seconds very slow, until end of slide. Go to Effect, Smooth Start 0, Smooth End 0, then OK. Now let's play the slideshow and see. So friends, if you like the video, then like it and subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for such informative videos. So see you in the next video. Thank you.